What up, guys? Eric here from RacingRamFam with Ryan from Auto Detour.
What's up, guys?
With the F150 and then my old piece of crap Betsy. But yeah, we're here checking out the Viper and checking out the turbo, I hope.
Yeah.
And taking a little look closer to see what competition we have, because we got two different vehicles that we're racing. Not just the trucks. Well, I have two trucks I'm racing, but the Viper, and then the two four-wheel drive Minnesota trucks.
Yeah, the big old slow trucks.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll make them a little faster.
Yeah. It looks absolutely crazy. So just imagine T3 flanges and turbos sitting on the ends of each of these. So me and Mr. Auto Detour now are both in the trucks. He is, of course, in his F150, and I am in my 99 Ram, aka Betsy. So we are going to go to Mexico right now and do some polls to see what the trucks can do in their stock form. So it's not going to be anything too exciting, but I think it'll be pretty fun. I am going to try to manually shift the truck. You don't mind the lights. We have a low washer fluid light and a seatbelt light. I am buckled up, so don't worry about me, guys. When it goes green.
Green arrow.
Yep.
Come on. Ryan's truck absolutely kicked my butt in stock form. That's probably because my truck weighs a lot and it has a lot of crap in it and it has a spare tire, blah blah blah. I can make excuses all the time, but Ryan's truck, congrats, you beat me in stock form. Hopefully Betsy will come back with that twin turbo build and kick some butt. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more of Ryan's build, go check his channel at Auto Detour. If you guys want to check out more of my turbo build and my SRT10 build, check out my channel, RacingRamFam, of course. And as always, guys, keep it boosting. Hopefully Betsy will be back and kicking butt with some boost.